guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am creating this amazing green and orange look using the Tribe by Juvias. Oh my goodness, this palette, I forgot how much I loved this palette. It is absolutely stunning. And Juvia's Place, they are so affordable and all of their palettes are so pigmented and beautiful. You check out any of them and you'll love them all. I have got quite a stack up over there. Plus I have a few extra ones sitting on the side over here. So I gotta say, I'm a fan. But enough rambling. If you guys want to see how I did this look right here, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, so the first shade I'm going to jump in with is this bright neon green color. I'm going to ruin all of these shade names, but I'm going to try. It is Massia, I'm not sure. But we're going in with that light green, bright green one. I'm going to put this in my crease, concentrating it fairly high. Now I'm going to go in with the shade Tootsie. This green looks absolutely stunning. Look how bright that green is looking. Oh my goodness, I'm loving it. Okay, now to deepen up my outer corners, I'm going to go in with San right here. It is this beautiful, deep, like evergreen kind of shade. I'm going to take just like a little blending brush. Now I'm going to go in with my first original brush and that lightest green shade, and I'm going to kind of blend over these lines out here. I'm gonna really smoke them out and just soften that line going around the edge. Now, I'm not sure what I want to do all over my lid. I'm leaning really towards this orange shade right here in the it's called Curla. Look, it's like a perfect pumpkin orange. Yes, okay. That is what's going all over my lid. And I am going to just go right in with my finger because, well, I don't want to muck around with the brush and end up using my finger anyway. This shade, oh my goodness. I love that. All right, that I love that orange. Now I'm just going to take my shade that I was using with the dark green, and I'm just going to lightly, with nothing extra on it, just kind of go over these edges where that orange and green meet and just soften that transition line. I can't get over how bloody bright that orange is. Oh my goodness. For my inner corner, I'm going to take the light green shade first, and then I'm going to layer Coral, this topper-like shade, on top of it. And I'm just using this little pencil brush. Now, this is that Coral shade. I might get this wet. Ah, that is much better with it wet. For that shade anyway. Look at the pop of that inner corner. Oh! Absolutely stunning. Now, for my lower lash line, I'm going to first go in with Tootsie right here. And then I'm going to take a little bit of that Curla shade, and I am going to get it wet because I do want to concentrate it boldly onto my lower lash line. Now back in with that fluffy brush and that lightest green, we're just going to run that directly underneath of the lower lash. Now I'm also going to take Kuro, however you pronounce it, and that is going to be my brow bone highlight. All right, I'm going to quickly jump off camera and do my liner and my lashes, and I'll be back. And eyes are finished. So for my top liner, I use the Fenty Beauty. This is the, what is it called? The Fly Liner, I think. Been loving this. On my waterline, I'm using this ColourPop in white. And for mascara, I just threw on this Too Faced Better Than Sex. Also on my lips, I'm wearing also this Too Faced, the peach kind of one in the shade Got Peach. Anyways, yay! I absolutely love how this eye look turned out. The shades in this palette are absolutely stunning. I mean, oh my goodness. I'll do swatches at the very end of the video for you guys. But for now, let's get up a little bit closer and have a look. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you want to be notified, you know you gotta hit the bell. And until next time. Oh, wait! If you have not seen my giveaway video, you'd better go check that out. I'll leave that linked right up in here somewhere because it's a big one, okay? Probably my biggest giveaway yet, so you don't want to miss it. Check that link and get yourself entered. Anyways, enough rambling and getting weird. Until next time, I hope you all have a fabulous day or night or whenever it may be.